Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special and delicious because today we're going to a party and we're going to be doing some Bami Goreng. Let's take a look at the ingredients here. So guys, we've got 8 bags of spaghetti, some oil, we got some eggs to roll and chop, some fresh spring onions, some chicken breasts that I'm going to cook and dice into pieces to go inside of the bami. And we got here some onions and pepper chop up. I'm definitely going to need more. So now guys, we're just going to be adding some of this, some soy sauce into the bowl of chicken breasts, and then we're going to fry that off. So just like this, I've added some soy sauce there just to give it a brown color. Let me add some more. And we got our oil heating here. This is optional, by the way, but I want it to be brown, so I just added some to it. And we're going to fry off our onions and other green vegetables. So we're going to do batches, so I'm just going to fry half. So next is the other vegetables, spring onion, celery, some garlic. Don't you just love the scent of onions when it's frying, and garlic? Some peas and carrots and corn. And the peppers as well. So now you give them about 4 minutes because the peppers need to be cooked properly. So the chicken breasts have been cooked now, and we're going to go ahead and start adding some spaghetti. And we're going to mix. And we're also going to be adding in the seasoning in as well. This is Maggi cube. So we're adding some down. Some Chinese 5 spices. Some paprika powder. Some garlic salt. Just put the broom back. Some aromat. We got some oregano. I'm going to be mixing. So we're going to mix everything up now. Just wish you guys could smell how lovely this is smelling right now. Next, we're going to put our soy sauce. So now we add in some light soy sauce, not too dark. I'm going to be adding this one as well for flavor and as well as color. Now we're going to add a darker soy sauce, and this is browning, just to give it a browner color. And guys, I'm going to beat up some eggs now and add it to it. I'll be right back. So we just scrambled the egg a little bit, and now it's going back into the bami. And then I'm going to be adding one fried egg on the top of this bun. Some of the pieces look a little bit too generous, but that is all right because I'm going to be doing a much bigger batch next. So that's it, guys. It's finished. Quick and easy and simple. Don't forget, if you like this video, leave your comment down below. Like, subscribe and share it. And if you want to see other stuff that I've cooked, you could look under the playlist by cook videos. And for exercising, there's a playlist for that as well. And for clothes, there's also a playlist for that. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at, my Instagram is Caramel Fit. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day and wish you guys could have taste this. Okay, bye.